Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter could not move extension directory into profile error on Google Chrome, then watch this video for the solution. Now, even if this error appears in any other browser, the solutions are the same. So let's open Google Chrome for this and figure out how to fix this issue. First thing we'll need to do is remove the problematic extension or just disable it. So right click on the three dots and go to extensions, manage extensions, and then we will make sure that these are in the disabled position. Now if you want to remove them, you can do so. You can click on remove, and that's well and good. And especially with McAfee and all, you should not have these because these security plugins cause a lot of errors when the page loads. Now the next thing we can do is to reset Chrome. So we'll click on the three buttons and we'll go to settings. In settings, we will go for reset settings, restore settings to their original default, and click on yes. And now the other thing we can do is we can also look to update Chrome. So for that, we need to look for help, about Google Chrome, and then you see this an error occurred while checking for updates. You can now make sure that the update gets installed, and then that is about it. And the final thing is you can clear the cache, the cookies and the cache. So for that we need to go look for history. Here it is, and we'll look to delete browsing data, and we'll look for the timeline all time and make sure these boxes are ticked, and then we'll click on delete data and close the browser and then restart it again, and this problem should no longer be an issue. If this video worked for you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.